Alright y'all, in today's video we were in Miami, Florida, and the first part of it is at the Haulover inlet. If you're familiar with the boating fails or like the crazy boats and stuff going through the channel. So nothing too crazy happened over there, but it was just cool to see. And then we went to the Everglades for an airboat tour, and that was a lot of fun. Got to play with some gators and also got to see some cool tricks, I guess you could say, with the airboat. But anyways, here you go. It's almost completely out of the water sometimes.
Yeah, that's gotta be the gun. Oh yeah, they gotta show off. It's the whole thing, yeah. I wanna see what it's got. You gotta admit, you feel cool, right? Everybody watching, you can fly by on your 22 nose. Sorry, we're watching him catch a fish. Watch this fish.
He wants to hit the waves.
Yeah.
You have to get a big splash in it.
Oh yeah. There's two guys on there just like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Just take off. That thing is fucking ridiculous.
Those are about a year old.
Huh.
Oh wow.
Can I grab
So they do take a long time to grow to full size.
They literally grow until the day they die.
I guess they run together all the
Take your
time.
hand down.
Just a finger, it's fun.
A couple little guys to your right. But believe it or not, Clyde actually is a lot more laid back than Monty is.
What is? Oh shit! Look at all the fish though, just swimming right next to him.
A lot of the fish you guys are seeing are Oscars and cichlids, invasive species. They came from people's fish tanks.
Oh shit!
So they had no predators, so here they are by the ton. Alligators will eat our nocturnal feeders. They spend the night eating and then kind of spend the day just hanging
That
out.
wasn't bread, buddy.
He knows. He'll spit it right back out.
They're
If
so
you want to
chill
pet
though.
him, dude, just reach over right on the front. Right on the top, not on the sides.
Can you pet this one too?
Go for it. Right on top of her, right between her eyes.
He's a lot bigger than the other one.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Go for it. Right on the front. Right on the top.
Come on, us. Like up by the
Right
eyes.
by the eyes.
Go up high so they can't see you coming.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done with that.
Come on, earlier you wanted to swim with them.
Do you own the company? Or?
No, I
I was gonna say the insurance they must have to have.
Yeah, it's
nuts,
great.
dude. Yeah.
Well, I took the waivers for it. Don't matter what.
Yeah,
insurance
fair
you
enough,
got.
fair enough, fair enough.
Well, you
That's
signed
soft
it.
spot.
Sorry you
Yeah.
lost your hand.
It's your word, against mine. I
Yeah.
told him not to do it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's a good sash.
Make some gator bites.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would.
There's a place called Cafe 27. Remind me if you guys don't remember. It's about 20 minutes from here. It's got good gator bites.
That's crazy.
Anybody want to hold him or touch him?
No,
Give him a
you're
kiss.
good.
Give him a kiss.
He's like.